Greetings. We are gathered here to witness and celebrate the marriage of these couples and ask to God to bless them so that they may be strengthened in their life together. We are called to rejoice in their happiness and find in their love a reason to renew our own commitments to those who are near and dear to us. Ako kayo dahil sudah lang kaya may kasama no problema. Anyway, sige po, is there anybody here who knows of any impediment to the marriage about to be contracted between these couples? At ako mo para ating wedding? Very good. Sige, sana naman. Ay, namagin kayo questions? Ito ang iba na. Melvin. Sunshine, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your husband-to-be? Very good. Melvin, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your wife-to-be? Very good. I ask you now in the presence of these people to declare your intention to enter into union with each other. Melvin, will you have Sunshine to be your wife, to live together in marriage? Will you love her, comfort her, honor her, keep her in sickness and in health, forsaking on others, be faithful to her as long as you both shall live? Good. Sunshine, will you have Melvin to be your husband, to live together in marriage? Will you love him, comfort him, honor him, keep him in sickness and in health, forsaking on others, be faithful to him as long as you both shall live?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Magising-sing. Sige, one more. A ring is a symbol of wholeness and perfection and unity. Like circles, rings have no beginning and end. They are a token of their growing love and relationship that you have come to celebrate and to confirm. O sige, muna ka Melvin, Bagam di baga. Follow after me. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. Suot mo. Suot lang Sunshine. Follow after me. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. So, suot mo. Okay. Sumangot ito parents pa lang Sunshine. Nangtang, agad kayo. Namit kayo baga, payo, Jer Kasar, wish you.
Yan, lupas sila nga diferensya, ay tinawakan kayo. Kawanti apa-apa. No, minsan bukid din, damo latang, may iwatan. So nga bigayan lang tayo ta. Kasi mo lang sir.
Sige, I think that, sumangot ito, Muna ni tatangkap no.
Nung kami di pagkikina, tapos tulungan niya sila saya, ngayusan.
Bisa betul. Baliktad. O sige, KJ friends and families, kininong ninang, tili ko sumahong tayo likod. O muna tayo ng anamit kenchi baga. Wish you. Wish kin payo dyan Kasar.
Tiwis ko kanyayo Melvin Sunshine. Aginayat kayo. At pinateg. Ipateg yun tinaganak. Naganak yun. Kan may sabay. Lukas pangrigan. Adaman susik yun. Dua kay lang. Pagtungtungan nyo hanyong ipubat sa bali. Si kay lang. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Payo sinyan maduma aginayat kayo tapos gay give and take and respeto di bawat may sa atin.
Thank you. Na
Ilang may berat kada kayo.
Kay sungad na doon nga doon ko maparikot ti pamilya. Daan to kada kayong mansuba. Pagkan nyo lang pagtutungan mo.
Thank you.
Yes ko kanya yung anak ko. Binong mo kayo. Kaya i-respeto yung lagi kinaganak ko. Backlag siya. Maging hanas lang bawat isa. Oh.
Viewers ko kanya yung naduwa, sa pala kumata, ginayat kayo ti tildat duwas part, gano'n. Tapos no, that problema, dapat na pag tungtungan yung naduwa. Ano nga ipi-Facebookan, tapos na kay
Very good advice na.
Tiwis ko ba't kanya yung naluwa. Dako mati love, kin respect ito mong galmay sa kanya yung kani panyo ni ako Diyos iti tingat tumunggal may sa kanya yung adoa. Kanya.
Gusto kanya yung matuwa. Bago kayo.
Very good.
Mapunak na kayo mga bago ang kasal. Sinsipin kayo kadwa. Pag kayo nag-apa, patay nga rin, timamaksirat mo, kata kayo. Anyo pampanulutin yung kanayo, dahapon yung tapos basta, awan tinili mo, gatot kayo.
Ati may bagakmat kanya yung respect kayo laksan, respect to nyo lahat ati may sakit kayo. Magiglayat kayo laksan.
Thank you. Alabay ako. Hindi ko friends or family. Alright? Sige. Sango kayo to. Sango kayo. Sunshine. Sige mo di iman na med. Sunshine. Na naman vows mo kini Melvin. Promise mo as your future husband. Ay, sige, napintas no, nakasurat. Ayun. Sige, basahin mo.
Melvin, you have made me feel more loved than I ever thought possible. Thank you for never failing to remind me how much you respect everything about me. This is enough to show me how much you value my words. I know that I'm not easy to understand, yet you choose to gently and patiently putting up my moods. Thank you for taking time to understand me, everything I get mad. Thank you for accepting me and my flaws. You never fail to make me feel your unconditional love. Baby, I promise to be faithful and supportive. I promise to protect and pray for you. I promise to be with you always, to care for you, and to love and cherish you no matter how far apart we may be. I promise to make you happy and be there for you when you need me the most. I promise to encourage you to continue growing as we work towards our mutual goals. I promise to remain as your companion and friend. I promise to give you love, honesty, trust, commitment, and keep your life interesting as we grow old together. I love you.
Ito nga pa eh. Anyway, Melvin. Sige, basahin mo ito yung vows mo.
Sunshine, today is the day that I become more real than just a friend. Today I give to you completely my heart, mind, body, and soul without confusion. Now I forever promise to recognize you as equal and confident, and I recognize that your interests, distress, wants, and needs are just as important as mine. I promise to love with you when times are good and to suffer with you when they are bad. I can't wait to grow old and gray with you and to get to know the men and women, you will become and fall in love more with you each and every day. Today, I give myself to you as your husband, as your partner. I love you.
Sige, gawin niyo man naman, Melvin. Follow after me. I hereby take you, Sunshine, to be my wife,
To be my wife,
to have
to have
and to hold,
and to hold,
to be one of heart,
to be one of heart,
one soul,
one soul,
and one affection.
and one affection.
From this day forward,
From this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better and for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer and for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love
to love,
and to cherish
to cherish,
until we be parted by death.
until to the perfect of this.
This is my solemn vow.
My son.
Okay, very good. Sunshine, follow after me also. I hereby take you, Melvin,
I hereby take you, Melvin,
to be my husband,
to be my husband,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
to be one of heart,
to be one of heart,
one soul,
one soul,
and one affection.
and one affection.
From this day forward,
From this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better or for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer or for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love
to love
and to cherish
and to cherish,
until we be parted by death.
until we departed from death.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my solemn vow.
Very good. By the virtues of the powers vested in me by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, I, Benjamin Loren Quaresma III, Municipal Mayor of Pampanga, Nueva Vizcaya, confirm the bond of marriage which you have contracted and now pronounce you newly wedded husband and wife. Okay, you may now kiss. Please witness niya ang filmada. Witnesses tayo, witness. Sige, nagpirma kayo. Oo, sige. Ninong-ninang nga po, ninong-ninang. Pero nagay din ninong-ninang nga po ito sa akin ang witness ang filmada. Nandiyan na yung dadat, yung ibang kakasal. Nandiyan na yung ibang kakasal. Hindi, pag nandyan na, kasi magmagaan na kami lang.
Okay, dito po. Excuse me po. Excuse me po, ma'am. Dito po, 1, 2, isa pa. Okay, waka po tayo. 1, 2, 3, waki.
Sige, ninong-ninan mo yan. Siguro.
Wait lang po.
Ay, yung wala tayo.
Wait lang, ano.
Mother.
Sige.
Mother na.
Wait lang.
Okay po.
Natin sa director. Comparte ba yung dito? Dapat yung sumuli mo.
Okay, dito na po. Smell lang po. Smell kayo mo na po. 1, 2. Dito, tingin pa dito tayo. Tayo. 1, 2. Saka po. Wait lang po. Wait lang po. Ay, isa ba? Alam ko man pangalan ko. Wait lang po. Okay, ito na po. 1, 2. Tayo na sa dito. 1, 2. Smell lang po.
Ismail Balayan.
Parang di kayo masaya.
Jeez.
Okay na po, ninang po. Okay, dito na po. Okay, sa may ni ma'am. Sige lang, ma'am, pakitanggal po yung algebra ko, ma'am. Ma'am, pakitanggal po yan. Nagre-reflect po. Okay, dito na po. Ma'am. Ma'am, po. Wait lang, mas meron po dyan. Okay, group hack nga po. Yakapin na ko natin yung
Ay, group hack.
Dami yakapin ko natin yan.
Wow.
Okay, wakit tayo. 1, 2, 3. Wala na po. Apat lang. Hindi, 18 ko yung mga sinama.
Ni kaya may kung mga kapicture tatay ni Mayor ko. Sige latay, mabalin.
Tanda po yung face master. Tandaan na lang po yan. Sige po.
Duduwa nino?
Sige po, sige po, sige po. Compress lang po.
Tadya na siguro bara
Okay, dito na
bara
po.
yun.
1, 2. Okay, thumbs up nga po. Then, Maki, 1, 2, 3. Mga friends ko. Mga kaibigan. Ay,
May word. Katanak naman ng buhay.
In kayo ni, makikita. Melmar. One, sige. One.
Okay, dito na po.
Jay.